एक ऐसे वक्त जबकि आज सुबह इसराइल की तरफ से हमला कर दिया गया तेहरान पर और अमेरिका भी उसका साथ दे रहा है। इससे पहले अमेरिका के सदर ट्रंप ने कहा था कि ईरान के साथ मुज़ाकरात से खुश नहीं। ईरान को किसी भी सतह पर यूरानियम अफजूदी की इजाज़त नहीं होनी चाहिए। ईरान चाहता है थोड़ी बहुत यूरानियम अफजूदा करे। ट्रंप ने कहा ईरान एटमी हथियार नहीं रख सकता। ईरान के खिलाफ ताकत का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहता, मगर कभी कभार ताकत इस्तेमाल करनी पड़ती है।
Well, they should make a deal, but they don't want to quite go far enough, and it's too bad. Look, we've been playing with them for 47 years, and that's a long time. They've been blowing the legs off our people, blowing the face off our people, the arms. They've been knocking out ships one by one. But every month there's something else, so you can't put up with it too long. We're not happy with the negotiation. They just don't want to. They don't want to say the key words. We're not going to have a nuclear weapon. They have to say we're not going to have a nuclear weapon, and they just can't quite get there. They want to enrich a little bit. You don't have to enrich when you have that much oil. So I'm not happy with the negotiation.